The first will be Kirti. You will be the first one to give the word. Second, Aarti. Third, Piyush, as I see on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Then Samshad. Then Neha. Kunj Vihari. We got Sarita, Vimla, and Manpreet. This is a sequence of giving word. All right. When we say rapid fire round, which means you need to use that word in a sentence. I'm sure if you have attended any of my session, you might be aware of this activity. If not, you will have an idea. Or if you want, I can give you a demo.
Sir, demo.
All right. So we start with hi, good evening. My name is Ali, and I welcome your words. This will be the beginning. So you will start with greetings. Hi, my name is Vivek, and I welcome your words. Everybody in the session will give you a word, and you will be speaking minimum 2 or maximum 5 sentences. Give me a word. And the second is the second instruction, where you're giving a word, do not check the vocabulary of a person. Give the word which is quite easy. The person who does not know English even, the person knows the meaning of the word. Let's begin.
War.
Say it loudly.
War.
Well, the current situation between India and China, it is almost that the India is going to have a war with China. But the country is trying to de-escalate the matter as much as possible, but we are not sure. The tension is still rising every day. Next. I'm not able to hear you, Samshan. Well, COVID-19, it has been declared a world health pandemic. It started from China, and now almost 200 countries of the world are facing the same problem. More than 3 million people have been positive, and India is almost on the 4th position as of now. Delhi, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, these are the 5 of 6 major states where we have got 70% cases. Next.
Environment.
The environment in India as of now is quite clean because of the lockdown. The pollution has gone to zero. So we can see like the river is quite clean. The air quality is quite better. We can see wild animals like moving around the road. So the environment has been purified, if I can say, during the lockdown. Anyone else? Well, lockdown is a word that nobody likes. Everybody hates it. And India was almost shut down for more than 2 months. And the lockdown period is over. Now we have got unlock 1. And government has started unlocking everything, all the like businesses and facilities. Let's see what happens. And during this unlock 1, the cases are going up like anything. So the life is at risk. Kunj Vihari, give a word. Manpreet, Sarita, Neha.
Happy. Online classes.
One by one. Sarita, you go on.
Online classes. Happy.
Well, happy and online
Happy,
classes. Let's
happy.
start with online classes. Well, we have recently started the online sessions. Earlier, we were not giving any online classes. We were completely into the classroom training program. So these online sessions are quite new experience for us even. But well, I have decided that I will continue this online session even the lockdown gets over and we start the regular training program. So this will be another option for the training where the people, those who cannot come for the classroom training can opt for this session. Happy? Nobody is happy these days. Everybody is cursing their fate. And especially they're saying that 2020 is not at all a good year. and they're waiting for 2021. So I'm sure these are some of the examples that you can pick up. Shall we start?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Vivek, have you taken your
Yes, sir.
lunch? Vido, we can't hear you. All right, let's just start with Samshad. Samshad will be the first one. Right, and the word sequence will be Kirti, Aarti, Piyush. I will tell you the name and then you will give the word. Shall we start? And one more thing, when your term is there, for example, if you are on podium, well, there is no podium here actually. If you are on podium, you need to turn on your camera so that at least that time we can see you. Right, Samshad, can I start with greeting?
Hi everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Samshad. I welcome your words.
Kirti,
Book.
Sorry,
Books.
books. We should study. I'm. We should. We are studying by books. Books is very helpful for us. Without books, we can't get a good education or a higher education. There are many different type of books. You should read it. As for example, business type of business book or stories book, and there are many famous books like Poor
minimum,
Dad and
minimum two, five, maximum five, and make it short, sharp, and crisp. Do not exaggerate or enlarge it. Aarti, next word. When you say a word, say it loudly, loud and clear. Dog,
dog. DOG dog. Dog is a pet animal. We all we should uh, we should keep it
I don't
because
know.
it is
You decided if you don't want to keep it.
we should keep it because uh, it is very helpful and it keep us uh, uh, I mean matlab, so it keeps me it protects me to a stranger or maybe thief or any robbers, and we should not beat the dog.
All right. Next is Piyush.
Pollution.
uh, Before lockdown, pollution in the world has increased had increased, but after lockdown, in every area in the world, pollution has removed. But if I talk about when I was living in Delhi, and Delhi is very polluted city in the world, most polluted city. And apart from that, okay,
Next, Neha.
Education.
education. Education is very important in our life. If we are educated, then we can take good decision, and we can give a good judgment, and we can choose a good leader. And if you are educated, you can do everything as much as possible. And educated people can develop his country, can develop himself. And if we are not educated, it may be possible we can take a wrong decision. And if we are educated on this situation, we can develop our country by technically, and
All right.
maybe
Next word. Kunj Vihari. Minimum 2, maximum 5. You need to have the capping as well. 2, 5, 2, 5. Kunj Vihari, next word.
Now India situation.
Only word, not a sentence.
Sir, India situation.
Word. It is a 2 word. Only 1 word.
India or situation? Both. Any one of.
India.
Sir,
Let's take India.
India is a secular country. I live in India. I am Indian, and you know, in the world, every country are facing coronavirus and COVID-19 pandemic, and also our country are facing this problem. And due to COVID-19 pandemic, our country situation right now is not more good, and it affected our economics. And okay, and the
Next.
capital of India is Delhi.
Sarita. No, You need to be very specific to give the words.
Sorry, animal.
Animals.
Animals. We should sir पालना को क्या बोलते हैं? What we say?
We should have pet animals.
We should have pet animal, and we should not beat it. Animal are very innocent. We should not beat it, and this and animals are very helpful in our life. If I talk about cow, cow, horses, elephant, these all types of animal are very helpful in our life. Cows give me milk. Milk is very essential for us, and
from milk, sweetman makes sweets. Vimla, next word.
Weather.
Weather of I don't know, but weather of our state, I mean our hometown is very good. It is raining now. It is raining since I came here. And,
it is raining, and we can hear the thunderstorm in the session as well. That's very true.
And I don't know what is the weather of Delhi.
This
Thank
background
you.
music
Next.
is also visible. Manpreet.
Computer.
Computer is a very important electronic device. It helps me to do everything easy, and it is very useful in every area. If I talk about you want to do accounting in you want to use accounting software, and you want to mention data in the computer, you should keep it. And computer is very essential for us. We do many things
All right.
in the computer.
That's
Apart
all.
from that, we can
Minimum 2, maximum 5. Just take care. It's a rapid fire round. Right. Next, we are going to pick Vimla. You are the next one.
Hello everyone, my name is Vimla. I welcome your words.
Electricity.
Electricity is when current is low, the electricity is generated, and we can see lots of things. Next.
Aarti.
Sorry?
Friends.
Friends is very important for us, because without friends we can't live and we can't enjoy, and so is a very important for us. Next.
Piyush.
Transport.
We can say transport is essential part of us. Without transport, you can't convey one place to another, and is very convenient.
Neha.
It's cinema halls.
Cinema halls.
Cinema hall. Cinema hall. Nowadays, cinema hall is very. सर से क्या बोलेंगे?
Essential,
Enjoy.
important, the source of entertainment, or closed. Nowadays it
Resource
is
of
closed. Source of entertainment.
resource of entertainment.
Not
Resource of
resource.
entertainment. Source of entertainment, and everyone love to go to see movie and enjoy with popcorn and Pepsi, Coke.
You can take thumbs up as well if you don't like Pepsi or other brands.
Yes, sir. Next.
Kunj Vihari.
Love.
Love.
Love is very important for me. Actually, I always prefer to love, and without love, you can't survive in Earth. So keep loving.
But do make sure you love the right person. Otherwise, maybe beaten up if you start loving everyone. Sarita.
But sir, every problem. Okay.
That's all right.
New.
So what can say?
The current
when
situation
we-
is completely a new situation for all of us. We have never experienced
Yes.
it.
Yes, sir. And when we see new dress, so I can control myself.
Next, Manpreet.
Online shopping.
I have very bad experience about online shopping, and I don't prefer and I don't allow to someone to go through the online shopping.
Samshad.
Telephone.
Sorry,
Telephone.
telephone is now is old one because everyone has a mobile, and
And it has become an old fashion to have a telephone. Mr. Vivek Kumar Pandey. Your audio, we are not audible. Say something. Give a word. Hello? Vivek, you check your audio connection. You are not audible. Say it loud. Say it something. Say hi, hello.
Hi, hello, hello.
But
क्या हुआ सर?
don't say hi 3 times.
Give a word.
Cricket.
Cricket.
cricket. I don't like cricket, and India is the best game of cricket, and
All right. All right, that's all done for you. Guys, this meeting will log out in five minutes or something. So the moment this meeting logs out, you need to re-log in with the same ID and password, all right? So the session is up to 4 o'clock. So if this logs out, we have almost half an hour in hand. Now, the next candidate is Sarita. The word would start from Kirti. Sarita starts.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Hi, my name is Seta. I welcome your word.
Guys, I said like when you are at least speaking, make sure that your camera is on. So if not
Sorry,
from
what's
today,
your word?
water.
Water. Water is a very precious for our life. I think, according to me, we should take water at least 5 to 6 liter.
next,
And water is
if you're taking too long pauses, we will feel that the word is over. We will give you another word. Aarti,
okay.
say it loudly.
What?
Shopping mall. Shopping mall.
Earlier it was
Shopping
friends, now it
mall.
is shopping malls. Friends are in the shopping mall. Shopping malls.
Shopping malls. There are many. There are different types of shopping malls, and even most of the even people at this generation, people are like to go on shopping malls to purchasing for purchasing branded items for their own their self.
Piyush.
Tree,
Sorry,
tree.
tree. Trees are very important for everyone. Trees gives us because it gives us energy, it gives us oxygen, and it gives us medicines, fruits, vegetables, etc.
Next, Neha.
Vacations.
Vacations. On vacations, we go out to their villages. We go out to visit somewhere for entertaining, for enjoyment, and somebody is going to their hometown and their relatives also.
Kunj Vihari.
Metro.
Metro. At this generation, metro is very essential because metro by metro we it's a, by metro we save our time to go anywhere, and we and we reach everywhere where we want to go. That's it.
Vimla.
Life.
Life is long, and everyone wants to enjoy their life on their self.
Manpreet.
Everyone has on their life to enjoy how they
Prayer.
prayer.
Yes.
Prayer. After waking up in the morning, we pray for God to achieve something, and we pray for our elders to take something and that's it.
Samshad.
Billionaire.
Billionaire.
Sorry, sir.
Billionaire.
Billionaire?
Crorepati.
Crore.
Mukesh Ambani.
Crorepati.
Arabpati.
Arabpati, sir.
Are same like.
बहुत फर्क है सर.
Sir, I flummoxed with what is the word?
Billionaire.
Billionaire.
From
Like
Billy.
Tata, Ambani, Bill Gates.
These all are the
Obama,
examples.
I want to be a
There are
billionaire.
many billionaires in the world, like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett,
Yeah, Bill Gates, William Henry Gates.
And Samshad Ali.
Mukesh Ambani, and also Samshad.
Vivek, next word.
What?
Beauty parlor.
Beauty parlor. Most beauty parlor.
Vivek is not able to go to beauty parlor these days. That is as it is.
These in this generation, not for girls go to beauty parlor. Even boys are also go to saloon, means beauty parlor. They go there for changing their look
All right.
and looking.
All right. That's all. The meeting will be disconnected in any moment. The next is